Hello students, welcome to the class 8th standard mathematics. Today we shall learn geometry and that is construction of parallelogram. The type 2 model question is construct a parallelogram COF with CA equal to 7 centimeter, CF equal to 6 centimeter and AF equal to 10 centimeter. So let us go for the rough diagram. So if we draw this in a rough page, what we get CALF, isn't it? So CA will be 7 and CF will be 6 centimeter and AF measure is given. So therefore we need to put the rough diagram slanting of the left side. Now the name of the parallelogram is CALF. CA distance is 7 centimeter and CF distance is 6 centimeter and AF. So AF is a diagonal which connects the opposite diagonal. So therefore, AF value is 10 centimeter. Now we know the characteristics of parallelogram, that is opposite sides are parallel. So we can write the opposite measures of those line segments. Now let us write the given measurements. So given is CA equal to 7 centimeter, CF equal to 6 centimeter and AF equal to 10 centimeter. Now let's go for the main diagram. Now let us draw the CA, which is the base of the parallelogram, the line segment 7 centimeter. Let us draw. So use a ruler and draw the line segment 7 centimeter. So this is A and this is C. So we can write the measure 7 centimeter. Now the given measure is CF equal to 6 centimeter. So let us, using the compass, let us draw the arc. Now using the compass, I have calculated 6 centimeter. Now keep the tip of the compass at C and draw the arc. Now AF measure is given, that is 10 centimeter. So again let us measure the 10 centimeter. This is the 10 centimeter. Now keeping the tip of the compass at A and draw 10 centimeter so that the current arc will cut the previous arc at F. Now let us join the lines to CF and AF. Again, now we need to take the measure of opposite sides, that is 7 centimeter. And before that, let us write the measure of the previous arc. This is 6 centimeter and this is 10 centimeter. Now let us take 7 centimeter, which is parallel to LF or CA. So this is a 7 centimeter. So keep the compass at the tip of F and draw the arc. Again take the measure of 6 centimeter, which is opposite to the AL. Again I need to take 6 centimeter. At A, draw the arc of 6 centimeter. Now join those line segments. Now let us join the line segment AL and FL. Now we need to find the area. Here they did not given to find the area, or if they have mentioned, we need to find out. So we can see the model how to find the area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram, that is B into H square units. B is 7 centimeter and H we need to find it out. So therefore draw the perpendicular line which is the height of the parallelogram. Now measure the height. Measuring the line segment, we get 5.9, isn't it? So the line meets at the 5.9, which is a centimeter. We can write 5.9 centimeter. Now the product of 7 into 5.9 centimeter, we get 41.3 square centimeter, because the measures are given in centimeter, so we can write it square centimeter. So which is the required diagram for the construction of parallelogram.